excited to see it. It's one of my favorite things whenever it comes to pageants. The moment you get out, you feel the energy of everyone cheering for you and watching you. So I'm really excited to see that and feel it this time.
At yung sa message mo sa mga fans mo.
To all your fans around the world.
Kayo ah!
Yes! Lahat nakaabang!
Maraming salamat. Alam ko, sinuportahan niyo ako ever since until now. Ang daming Pilipino na nanonood para manood and you know, it's really hard for me.
For those who are still voting for you, what can you tell them?
Abot pa ba tayo?
Abot pa? Abot pa?
Kaya pa yan!
Yung gamitin yung allowance yung baka yung utang pa kayo.
Thank you, Atisa. Good luck. Thank you. Good luck, Rere.
Thank you so much!
Thank you. Good luck.
Good luck! Whatever, just enjoy it, Lisa!
I love it.
Diba?
Bye-bye! Love you from the crowd!